Tomato ketchup, the familiar condiment. You've used hundreds of times on your dining table. But did you know it originally did not contain tomatoes? In fact, its origins trace back to Asia, where people once made a fermented fish sauce known as ketchup. It wasn't until the 19th century that tomatoes were added to the recipe, creating the rich flavor you love today. But that's just one of many fascinating secrets about Heinz. Did you know that the famous number 57 on Heinz ketchup bottles doesn't actually represent the number of products the company offers? In 1896, Henry John Heinz, known as a marketing genius, chose the number 57 because he believed it conveyed a sense of mystery and was easy to remember. Strangely enough, at that time, Heinz was already producing over 60 different products. Yet the number 57 became an iconic symbol that has captivated people for over a century. From the mystery behind the number 57 to the uniquely designed ketchup bottles that help you squeeze out every last drop, the journey of Heinz is a story full of surprises and intrigue. And today, we're going to uncover it all. In the summer of 1876, Henry John Heinz officially introduced his first line of ketchup products. The name ketchup was chosen to distinguish it from the commonly used catsup at the time, aiming to create a unique identity for the brand. No one could have predicted that amid a market flooded with low-quality sauces, Heinz would dare to take an unprecedented step, producing the purest ketchup possible by using high-quality tomatoes with thick pulp and no preservatives. This bold move was a reflection of the company's core principle, delivering pure and high-quality products. Not all tomatoes can become ketchup. The tomatoes used for ketchup production are entirely different from those commonly eaten raw. They are carefully selected to ensure a high sugar content and low water content, giving the sauce a smoother texture and richer flavor. The cultivation process takes 75 to 85 days to ensure the tomatoes ripen evenly, achieve a vibrant red color, and contain the ideal natural sweetness for ketchup. Heinz's partner farms follow strict cultivation standards. Tomatoes are only harvested at the precise moment they reach the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. When harvest time arrives, hundreds of hectares of tomato fields become a battlefield of technology. Massive harvesting machines equipped with advanced sensors, robotic arms, and automated conveyor belts gather hundreds of tons of tomatoes each day. With incredible speed, a single machine can harvest over 30 tons of tomatoes in just 1 hour, and it takes only 4 to 6 hours from picking to entering the factory to ensure the tomatoes remain fresh and flavorful. Heinz believes that protecting consumers by controlling the entire production process, from cultivation to processing and distribution, is the key to success. The company places great emphasis on food safety, maintaining sterile factories and strict production processes. Heinz is also the only food company that actively supported legislation leading to the Pure Food and Drug Act in 1906, demonstrating its social responsibility and commitment to consumer health. This is where ketchup gets its distinctive flavor that you can't mistake for any other sauce. The common ketchup recipe consists of 5 main ingredients: pureed tomatoes, sugar, vinegar, salt, and secret spices, the key element that defines each brand's unique taste. Moreover, Heinz ketchup's signature flavor comes not only from the tomatoes, but also from the delicate combination of spices such as cloves, onion powder, and garlic powder. Cloves, with their sweet and warm aroma, not only enhance the flavor, but also help extend the product's shelf life. Some factories use vacuum cooking systems to preserve the full flavor while retaining essential nutrients. This process effectively eliminates bacteria while intensifying the natural taste of the tomatoes. The consistency of the ketchup is continuously monitored to ensure it is neither too thick nor too thin. Its color is carefully observed using advanced color sensing systems. The flavor must meet strict standards before moving on to the next stage. When all the ingredients are ready, it's time to begin a magical journey inside Heinz's factory, where modern technology blends with meticulous craftsmanship in every step of the process. Tomatoes are guided through massive pipes into an advanced automated cooking system. Here, ingredients such as sugar, vinegar, cloves, onion powder, garlic powder, and the secret spices are added in precise proportions. But here's the most remarkable part. Heinz employs artificial intelligence technology known as the quantifier, a machine often described as the strictest judge in the entire process. The quantifier accurately measures the viscosity of each batch of ketchup. If the product flows faster than 0.028 miles per hour, even by a tiny margin, the entire batch is immediately rejected. This ensures that every bottle of Heinz ketchup has a perfectly smooth and thick consistency. However, viscosity is only part of the rigorous testing process. Each batch must also meet strict criteria for color, flavor, and richness. This dedication to detail is why every drop of Heinz ketchup delivers a perfect balance of sweetness, tanginess, and savory depth, winning the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. The journey from ripe red tomatoes to rich, smooth ketchup is not just a production process. It's a testament to Heinz's unwavering commitment to quality and innovation for over 100 years. Even after Heinz ketchup has achieved its perfect taste and texture, one major challenge remains. How can every drop of ketchup reach consumers fresh and conveniently? The answer lies in Heinz's innovative packaging process, a testament to the brand's bold creativity. In 2003, Heinz sparked a revolution by introducing its iconic upside-down bottle design. This wasn't just about flipping the bottle, it was the result of months of research into consumer behavior. Heinz discovered that people often found it frustrating to shake and turn the bottle upside down to squeeze out the remaining ketchup. The solution? The upside-down bottle featuring a specially designed silicone valve cap, which not only kept the ketchup fresh, but also made it easier to squeeze out every last drop. This bold innovation quickly took the world by storm. Within 12 months of its launch, Heinz sold over 7 million upside-down bottles, marking a major breakthrough in the food industry. But Heinz didn't stop there. They continued to improve their packaging with an eco-friendly plastic cap design, made from easily recyclable materials, showcasing the brand's commitment to a greener planet. And let's not forget Heinz's brilliant marketing strategy. From simple yet memorable billboards to surprising and creative campaigns, Heinz doesn't just sell ketchup, they tell emotional stories that leave a lasting impression on consumers. For Heinz, packaging is not just about protecting the product, it's an art form that builds a meaningful connection between the product and the hearts of customers. At first glance, Heinz may seem like just a familiar condiment on the dining table, but few know that this iconic brand harbors a far greater ambition: conquering space. In 2021, Heinz announced a remarkable project, producing ketchup under conditions simulating the environment on Mars. This wasn't just an experiment. It was a forward-looking preparation for the future, where humans might live and farm on the red planet. Scientists faced an enormous challenge: growing tomatoes in Mars-like conditions, an environment characterized by barren soil, thin air, and extreme temperatures. Yet, driven by relentless innovation, the research team succeeded in cultivating tomatoes that met the standards required to produce authentic Heinz ketchup. This project is not only a scientific breakthrough, but also a bold statement of Heinz's vision. No matter where humans live, on Earth or on the red planet, the taste of Heinz ketchup will always be there. From the creative secrets in its seasoning formula, cutting-edge quality control technology, and revolutionary packaging design to even a journey into space, Heinz is far more than just ketchup. It's a symbol of relentless innovation. With over 100 years of dedication to quality, Heinz has proven that success is no accident. It's the result of passion, creativity, and a continuous drive for improvement. So now, every time you open a bottle of Heinz ketchup, remember, you're not just enjoying a condiment, you're savoring a piece of a remarkable story that has spanned over a century.
Thank you for watching the video from Smarttech Factories. We hope you've learned something interesting about food production processes and modern technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting upcoming videos.